Hi, I'm Chelsea, and I'm here today with Marianne, Shelly, and Sage. We're going to sing a popular children's song in 4 languages. Most Americans know it in French and English already, but Sage is going to sing it in Haitian Creole, and we're all going to sing it together in Spanish. Okay, let's begin.
Are you sleeping, Brother John, Brother John? Morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Sonnez les matines, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Tonton Bouki, wap dòmi, Lévé pour tanbou, ding ding dong, ding ding dong.
Fray Felipe, duermes tú, suenen las campanas, ding dong dong, ding dong dong.
Now we're going to sing them all together in a round.
Are you sleeping, Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques? Morning bells are ringing, Sonnez les matines, Duermes sleeping, suenan las campanas, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong,